Kathleen Callahan from Expert Tech Auto Repair, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is The Rundown.
Thanks for the great intro. Cavan, welcome back. I got a chance to take some PTO. I know you did as well. Middle of summer, we're right back into it. And are you in love with AI yet? Ratchet and Wrench actually just came out with an industry report, and 52% of shops are incorporating this technology in some capacity at their shops, which is super cool. We're seeing a lot of implementation happen across the products, the digital space, SEO, content, our scheduler. And speaking of our scheduler, we have some exciting news via Shop-Ware.
Yeah, thanks, Tony. As many of you had seen, we had released an online service scheduler for Shop-Ware just a few months ago. A lot of really good reception on that. And to Tony's point on the AI side of things, I think you're seeing a lot more of that build its way into some of the customer acquisition and online appointment scheduling. We just revealed that we are now releasing a full-fledged CRM. So Shop-Ware actually just sent out that press release literally yesterday, I think it was. So now we have these, kind of full ecosystem of shop management, online service scheduler, CRM, and then certainly on the auto shop solution side of things, website, digital, SEO content, advertising, all the way down to payment processing. So kind of this full universe of customer connected tools that we are really excited for. We can certainly show those off because I think we have some shows coming up. Tony, what's next on the agenda?
Absolutely. I was just thinking about that when you're talking about showing somebody that full ecosystem in person. We're going to be at Shop Hackers. We'd love to see you. Come by our booth and see us. We're all right next to each other. So we have 360 payments, Auto Shop Solutions, and Shop-Ware. So booth 26, 27, 28. We'll be there all weekend. Looking forward to seeing you. And Cavan, my new favorite highlight, what's our feel good?
The feel good for this week, actually, probably one of your close colleagues, somebody that you've worked with on the 10mm podcast before, the Humble Mechanic. We want to give a shout out to because he just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube, which I'm sure as many of you can imagine is no small feat. So shout out to Charles. That was a really awesome threshold for you to meet. We're looking forward to a lot more partnership with you here in the near future.